YouTube has announced its plan to moderate AI-generated content. It will give options to its creator to inform whether they have created altered or synthetic content that is generated using AI tools. YouTube will employ two ways to inform the users. First, it will add a new label to the description panel that will indicate whether the content is synthetic or altered. And second will be for more special videos, which will include sensitive topics, for which they will add a more prominent label to the video player. Along with that, the company has warned that if any video is found to be violating their community guidelines, the video will be taken down. It will also be possible to request the removal of AI generated content that simulates an identifiable individual, including their face or voice, which by the way is a very welcome step, given that artists like musicians, voice actors, and not to forget public figures have been used to scam people all around the globe, and this practice has increased way too much in this year. And other than going to the court, which is a very costly and time consuming affair, small creative artists really didn't have any choice. To empathize how critical this situation is, here is generative AI stock footage. Generative AI really needs content moderation, which is why this is a huge step up from YouTube in right direction, which should encourage and compel other social media platforms like Twitch, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram to take similar actions. However, YouTube historically has not been the best in implementing such policies. Case in point, last year, November 2022, YouTube had updated its profanity guidelines, prohibiting swear words within the first 7 seconds of a video, violation of which the video would be demonetized. However, many channels which didn't even swear at all, or channels which did so way later in the video, got demonetized, which forced YouTube to revert back and ease the restrictions a little bit. However, I still have high hopes from the platform, but I keep my expectations to bare minimum. Are we on the one high-speed ticket to our impending doom, or this action is one in the many that can make AI moderation possible? Are you hopeful or hopeless about the future? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, these topics are really close to my heart and I want to share them to as many people as possible. So please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it would motivate me to make even higher quality videos and cover more topics like these that actually impact us.